We're going to start learning about the broad sound of A as well as the sound of A in these combinations. So A has three main sounds. The first one students learn is the short A sound, ah, ah, ah. The long A sound is A, A, A. The broad A sound is ah, ah, ah. You may notice that the broad A sound of ah basically sounds the same as the short O sound of ah. Let's practice all three sounds. Ah, A, ah. Ah, A, ah. Ah, A, ah. Now, if we have ALL at the end of a root word, meaning at the end of the word or at the end of a word plus some suffixes, then the A will have the broad A sound. So here we have ALL, there's nothing after it, so we will try the broad sound. All, k, all, call, t, all, tall, b, all, ball, st, all, stall, w, all, wall, h, all, hall, mall, fall, small, small. Here we have it at the end of a root word before the suffix ing, which we covered in this lesson. K, all, calling, taller, taller, smaller, smaller, caller, caller. Now, if we have A and L before a K or an M at the end of a root word, the A will also have the broad A sound. Also, the L will be silent. So here we have AL and then a K. So this A will have the broad sound of ah, but the L will be silent. Talk, walk, stock, stock. Here we have AL before an M. So the A will have the broad A sound of ah, and the L will be silent. Calm, palm, balm, balm. CH says ch in this word, which we covered in this lesson. Ch, ok. And we can add a suffix such as S to the end of a root word, and the broad A still stays the ah sound. W, ox, walks. K, alms, calms. Notice in this word, S says Z. We covered that in level 3, lesson 10. AL plus a consonant at the end of a root word also keeps the broad A sound. Bald, bald. Notice in this word, the L still says ul. If you have LK or LM, then the L will be silent. But L plus another consonant other than K or M will mean the L still pronounces its sound. Balding, balding. Alt, salt. Alt, halt. Calm, calm. Calms. Ch-ok, chalk. W-ok, walk. Walking, walking. There are some important exceptions where the A has the short A sound of ah instead of the long A sound of ah. Here are some of the most important exceptions. Half. Notice the L is silent in this word. Af, calf. A calf is a baby cow. Alps. This is a mountain range in Switzerland. Al, shall. Alp, scalp. The scalp is the top of your head where your hair grows. Let's practice some sentences. The sounds in green are listed down here with the lessons where you can review these sounds. My, Y at the end of a short word has a long I sound. Half, of, we covered the sight word of in this lesson. The wall is tall. My half of the wall is tall. Your half is short. The sight word one was covered in this lesson. One bald man is sitting near you. One bald man is sitting near you. He, if a word is short and ends in a vowel, we try the vowel's long sound first. He is missing all his hair. If you need more practice with this sound before the next lesson, you can go to Don Potter's website here and download Word Mastery for free and practice page 94. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe.